So I wanted to get on here real quick, do a quick video of how I do my blue crabs. So I have my pot going. Inside the pot is water, a little bit of water, and then I have beer and Old Bay seasoning. Here's the beer. Get 2 40 ounces, pour it into the pot. Let's see what else this is the Old Bay that I have. I sprinkle some into the pot. And right now I'm just, it's going, it's boiling. I'm gonna let it come to a real good boil, and then I'm gonna put the live crabs in here. So, let y'all see the crabs real quick. It's a good teachable moment. Haven't done one of these in a minute. So here the live crabs. Check that out. Can y'all see them? All right, so stay tuned. All right. So now I'm taking the crabs and I'm putting them into the hot beer seasoned water. So here are the live crabs. This is what it looks like. These are going in. Yeah, I did pick it up with my hand because I had the crab positioned in a way where it won't get me. I had these sitting in the refrigerator because when you have them sitting in the refrigerator, it allows them to kind of calm down some. So these are just about a dozen. Grab them all, dump them all in there, drop them all in there. In fact, that was all of them. That was all 12. So this is what it looks like. If you're offended by cooking live crabs, please don't watch. But got a lid, put that over here, and yeah, I'm gonna let this cook for like 15 minutes. All right, I'll let y'all know when it's done. So stay tuned. All right, everyone. So the crabs are done. I'm taking them out the pot. These aren't that big, so they really don't have to. Honestly, you tell by the color that they're done. They should be a bright orange, like you see. So you just take them out. These are all males. Some of them may have had the leg fall off of it, but it's okay. You still got the legs up in there, so you just put on with the regular crabs. So, I just wanted to jump on here and just show y'all this. I'm gonna come back after I get all of the crabs out.